Good morning, students. Let us start a mathematics class. Previous chapter, matrix, already completed. Now we start a determinant chapter. Okay, we take what is the first of all determinant. This is the part of the matrices. What is the determinant? For example, in coordinate geometry, let us take suppose 3 comma 4. The point in the coordinate axis, what is the distance? What is the distance? Means 3 square plus 4 square root. It assign some single value. Okay, that is the single value. And for example, in vectors also, in vectors, for example, I plus 3j, first vector, and 3i plus j is the second vector. So, area of the parallelogram, area of the parallelogram. This also assigned a single value. So, like that, consider 3 vectors, that is the volume of the parallelogram. This is also assigned a single value. Okay, already you know from physics how to calculate the determinants and the values of this one. Okay, the value of matrices, for example, that is equal to A, B, C, D. In matrix, this determinant means it is denoted by that A. So between two bars, this is called determinant. What is the determinant means? A single value. Single value, it is either a real value or a complex number. Real number or a complex number is called a determinant. Suppose take a matrix A, B, C, D. It can be represented within two bars. That A is equal to A, B, C, D. How to calculate means? This is equal to AD minus BC. AD minus BC. This is the determined value. This determined value either is a real number or a complex number. Okay. Let A is equal to Aij is a square matrix. Determinants can solve only by square matrices. Only by square matrix. That's Aij is equal to n by n. N by n means ith row and jth column same. So n by n means it is a square matrix. This is not a modulus. So between we represent as a two lines inwards that A is equal to within two bars A is equal to this one. For example, A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. So find out its determinant. Find out its determinant. This is equal to A11, A22 minus A12, A21. So this is the determinant value of the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So how to calculate 3 by 3 determinant matrix? We'll see. Let A is equal to A11, A12, A12, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrices. So to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrices. So first of all, step by step. Along with the determinant is how many rows? First row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third row. We'll take the determinant either along with first row, second row, third row, like that. So you can take along with the first row. How to take means first step. What is the first step means? Det A, determine det A is equal to, first of all, minus 1 to the power of I plus j suffix a11 means this element suffix. This element in ith row jth column. Ith row means first row and first column. That's why minus 1 to the power of I plus j, minus 1 to the power of I plus j means its suffixes I means ith row, j means jth column. So that's why take in place of I 1 plus 1 plus 1 a11 and corresponding row and corresponding column, delete and consider this remaining elements determinant. A22, A23, A32, A33. That is the step one. Second step for this element. This element present in the first row, second column. That's why plus minus 1 to the power of, add this all. Determinant means either along to the first row, second row, third row. So first step this one, second step, that is second step means my plus add this all, minus 1 to the power of, next step suffix aij means 1 plus 2. Next deleting this row and this column, after deleting what? A21, A23, A31, A33 plus A13 means before minus 1 to the power of its suffix value 1 plus 3 A13 of deleting this row and this column, that is A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3. So finally add this R. So minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. What is the minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1? Even number means minus 1 to the power of even number plus. That implies A11. So like this. Determinant A22, A33 minus A32 of A23. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. That implies odd number. Minus 1, not missing here number, that is A1. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 means minus A12 of A21, A33 minus A31 into A23. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3, 4. Even that implies plus A13 of A21, A32 minus A31 into A22. So this is the determinant of 3 by 3 matrices. You know 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix, for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 3. What is that A? That means this one. This is equal to 3 minus 8. That implies minus 5. So minus 5 is the real number or any complex value. A single number is called the determinant value of the matrix. A. This is the 2 by 2 matrix and this is the 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, advanced students. Okay, solve some problems about this concept of either 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, alright. Okay, and suppose for example a matrix like this 2 0 1 5 0 -1 3 4 7. For example, like this problem. So matrix along with the first row. This is I solved along with the first row. Remaining 5 ways. What is the remaining 5 ways? Along with the first row, this one, and along with the second row, along with the third row, and along with the first column, along with the second column, along with the third column. Total 6 ways to solve the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So, can take determinant with respect to any one, answer will be same. We get. For example, this determinant. So along with the first row, okay, no problem. So in a determinant, in a matrix, more zeros where is there? So in second column, more 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros are there. In which row or in which column more zeros are there means then better to consider easy calculation. Choose along with the second column within a single step answer we will get. Okay, that is the important point. And one more important point, -1 to the power of determinant -1 to the power of 1 plus 1. No need write this one directly. So -1 to the power of I plus j. I plus j even means directly write minus. Odd number means even number means plus. This is even number, so write plus. So this is odd number. Not necessarily write -1 to the power of 1 plus 2. This is odd number means directly in place of this one. Write odd number means minus. Even number means plus. These two are important points. In a row or a column, more zeros is there means better to consider with respect to determinant that column or that row, anyone. That is our choice. The first row or second row, third row, or first column, second column, or third column in the same process. Okay. Okay, exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. So first problem, evaluate the determinants in exercise 1 and 2. First problem, 2 4 minus 5 minus 1. Determinant. This is the 2 by 2. 2 by 2. How to take 2 by 2 means this one. Like this one. Minus 2 A1, this one A1 B1 A2 B2. Suppose like this one. What is this determinant answer? A1 B2 minus A2 B1, like that. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Okay, minus This is equal to A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So that implies minus 5 into 4. What is the value? Minus 2. Minus into minus plus 5 fours 20. So finally this value is equal to 18. What is the determined value? Is 18. Okay. Second problem. Okay. X square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Find out the determinant. Okay. X square minus x plus 1, x plus 1 minus a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So minus of x plus 1 x minus 1. Okay. Okay. In these two terms, you multiply and subtract, no problem. In these two terms, x plus 1 is the common term. After taking common, x square minus x plus 1 minus of x minus 1 bracket closed. This is equal to what is the value? X plus 1. X plus 1 of x square minus x plus 1 in open bracket minus x minus into minus plus 1. Okay. This is equal to x plus 1 x square minus 2x plus 2. Now we multiply that one. X into x square x cube minus 2x square plus 2x, next plus x square minus 2x plus 2. So finally this value x cube minus 2x square plus x square minus x square plus 2x minus 2x cancel. So this is the final answer. So like this you solve 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So this also totally the same thing. First one, second main first one, do homework. This is the homework. Third one, if A is equal to 1 to 4 to 1 to 4 to, then show that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 into delta. 4 into delta. Okay, you can solve. First of all, 2A. LHS at 2A. We show that RHS is equal to 4 into delta. Okay, right? So first of all, delta, that implies 1 to 4 2. What is this value? 1 to 4 2. What is this value? This is equal to 1 into 2. 2 minus 4 into 2. 8. This implies this value is equal to minus 6. Next, take LHS value. What is LHS value? 2A. First of all, you find 2A. 2A is equal to 2 into 1 2 4 2. 1 2 4 2. So this number multiply each element of the matrix. Already we studied in first chapter matrix. Okay. 2 4, 8, 4. 8, 4. So find for this determinant. Find for this determinant. Det of 2a. Det of 2a is equal to 2, 4, 8, 4. 2, 4, 8, 4. 2, 4, 8, 4. Visible clearly? Otherwise, write like this. 2, 4, 8, 4. 2 fours, 8. 8 fours, 32. This is equal to minus 24. Minus 24. RHS value. RHS value. 4 into det. This is equal to 4 into already we got minus 6. Minus 24. Therefore, finally, LHS is equal to RHS. That implies determinant of 2a is equal to 4 into det. So, this is the answer. Okay. This is the value. Next problem, fourth question. If a is equal to 101, 012, 004, then show that determinant of 3a is equal to 27 into det. 27 into det. Before this one, I'll explain one concept. Let a is equal to 2240, b is equal to 1120. 1120. Then verify. A is equal to b. Then verify a is equal to 2b. Let's see. A value 2240. I'll take 2b. What is 2b? 2b is equal to 2 times of 1120. 2240. So then this is 2b. 2b is equal to 2240 is equal to a. 2b is equal to a. So verify. Okay, right. What is det A? Det A is equal to 2240. That implies A1 B2 2 into 0 minus 4 into 2. That implies 0 minus 8. Answer minus 8. Okay. Det B. 1120. 1120. What is determinant? Determinant value is equal to 1 into 0. 0 minus 2 into 1. 2. That implies minus 2. That implies minus 2. Okay. I will write this that can be written as 4 of minus 2. 4 of minus 2. 4 can be written as 2 square minus 2. 2 square minus 2. Now what is the order of A? Order of A is 2 by 2. Order of B is 2 by 2. Order of A is equal to 2 by 2. Order of B is equal to 2 by 2. Right. So this can be written as that A is equal to 2 square of minus 2. So this can be written as 2 square of this is value is that B. This value is equal to that B. Therefore, this can be written as that A is equal to 2 square times of that B. 2 square times of that B. Okay. So right. This also, this value also can be written, this value is equal to 3a, determinant of 3a is equal to 27 into delta. We show that as it is like previous problem. This is one example. Delta can be expressed is equal to 2 square into delta. Okay. Now we will take 3a. 3a. Right. 3a is equal to 3 times of 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4. Multiple with this one. 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. This is 3a value. Det of 3a. Det of 3a. That implies 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. Okay, I will take actually with respect to previous we did start example with respect to R, right? Determinant of 3a. What I am said with respect which row or which column has more zeros, consider that one for easy calculation. Here in first column and or in third row, 2 zeros, more zeros are there. Better to take, this is very easy. Or choice was with respect to R1, we do same answer here. So with respect to R1 or with respect to C1, with respect to R3. Why means in C1 no more zeros, 2 zeros. Easy calculate. With respect to R3, here also 2 zeros are there, more zeros. So better to compare to first row. This is better, but can be solved by with respect to R. Okay, right? I'll solve with respect to R1. That is your choice, student's choice. Consider either C1 or R3. Okay, with respect to R3. What is with respect to R3? First of all, minus 1 to the power of I plus j. First is this is 1 plus 1 even. 1 plus 2, this number in first row and second column. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 means negative. Third element 1 plus 3. First row, third column, 1 plus 3 means even number. So even number is plus, odd number is minus. That's why 3 times. So no need, right? Direct to plus 1. 3 times. Deleting this column and this row. Deleting this column and this row. Remaining determinant to take. 3, 6, 0, 12. Right. Next, minus. Why minus means minus 1 to the power of 1. This is in the first row, second column. Minus 1 to the power of its suffixes a11, a12, a13. That's why here suffix values are 1 plus 2. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 odd number. Here take minus. So that implies 0. 0. Corresponding row, corresponding column, delete after remaining values 0, 6, 0, 12. However, 0 into something value 0. Okay, right. Next up, my plus, y plus means this is A13. A13 means this element in first row, third column. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 means even number. Even number is plus. That's why we plus 3R. 3R. This row and this column. This row, this column. So that implies 0, 3, 0, 0. Okay, students. First of all, 3 deleting this row and this column, 3, 6, 0, 12, and minus 0 this row and this column, delete, and remaining elements 0, 6, 0, 12. Next, plus 3 are this row, this column, and this row delete, remaining 0, 3, 0, 0. So now calculate. Like this. So 0 is something 0. Twelve threes, 3 into 12, 36. 0 into 6, minus 0. Minus 0 into something, that value 0. Not necessarily this one bracket also. Plus 3R, 0 minus 0. So finally this value 108 minus 0 plus 0. So finally this value is equal to 108. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix determined like this. Okay, I explained previous concept. So like that 3A. 3A. This can be written as order 3 by 3. Order 3 by 3. This can be written as 3 cube into det A, that is equal to 27 into det A. So that implies this one. This like this also. This is a depend on the previous concept. Example I explained directly, right? 3A is equal to 3 cube into det A, 27 into det A, and that showing calculation on after. Right. This is LHS. LHS. Now RHS. Det A value. Determinant value 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. Determinant value. The starting minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, like that, plus 1 of deleting this row and this column 1 2 0 4 minus 0 of deleting this row, this column 0 2 0 4 plus 1 of deleting this row and this column 0 1 0 0. Calculate this value. 1 of 4 minus 0. Minus 0 into something 0. Next up, plus 1 0 minus 0. So finally this value is equal to 4. And RHS is 27 into determinant of A. 27 into 4. That implies 108. So finally LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So that is what is LHS. Determinant of 3A is equal to 27 det A. So this problem solution. This is the solution. So finally what you learn? Determinant is the a single value, that is either real number or a complex number. Okay, determinants are only for square matrices only. So denoted by what? Det. O that is equal to between two bonds, represent like this. These problems are over to at home. Evaluate the determinants. Evaluate the determinants in this first one. 3 minus 1 minus 2. 0 0 minus 1. 3 minus 5 0. Second problem. 3 minus 4 5. 1 1 minus 2. 2 3 1. These are all 3 by 3 matrices. And solve. 0 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 3 minus 2 3 0. Fourth problem. 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. Same process as it is like in the fourth problem. I explained 3 by 3 matrices, either along the first row or first column, second row or third row, like this. That is your choice. You will try each problem different types. So this problem along with the first row and this problem along with your first column, and you try that one. And this problem along with the second row and this problem along with the third column. You will try different types means with respect to different R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3. That we can easily understand some idea about same answer. Along with the any row or any column, answer will be same. Okay. And next this also the sixth problem. Sixth problem. If A is equal to 1 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 3 5 4 minus 9, find det. This also same as this, like this one. These are the homework. Seventh question. Find values of x if number 1, in this number 1, 2 4 5 1, 2 4 5 1 is equal to 2x 4 6x. Okay. Actually in matrix, suppose this is the matrix problem. How can I solve find the values of x? Order must be same. So both sides are must be okay. And next corresponding elements are equal. The corresponding elements are equal. Then only it is possible. But here now these are not matrices, and also this corresponding element not equal. Okay. So this is the determinant, not matrix. Some students are thinking this is a matrix, they correspond to that values. Don't do like that. This is the matrix. Determinants. So LHS side 2 into 1 2 minus 5 into 4, 5 into 4, 20 is equal to 2x square, 2x square minus 2x square minus 6 fours, 24. So this side, left side, 2 minus 20 minus 18, 2x square minus 24, 2x square minus 24. This implies 2x square is equal to minus 18 on this side plus 24. 2x square is equal to minus 18 plus 24 is equal to 6. X square is equal to 3. This implies x is equal to plus or minus square root 3. So, like this, solve. Both sides take 2 by 2 determinant. In this 7th and 2nd to homework. 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to x 3 to x 5. Next one. 8% if x 2 18x 6 18 2 6, then x is equal to, multiple choice question. This one A 6, option B plus or minus 6, option C minus 6, option D 0. This is the multiple choice question. So this is the first exercise. And this solve the determinants 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. What you learn from this concept starting? Determinant is the a single value, that is a real number or a complex number, and determinants represent with like 2 lines, that is nothing but not a modulus, 2 bars, and written shortly that A, that is equal to that. So not only that A, either that B or like this. Okay. And 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, how to solve along with the first row and along with the second row, third row, first column, second column, and third column. Okay. These are the homework. And from this exercise, compulsory we will get one question for board exam. Okay, students, I continue the next class and next session. Any doubts, contact with our office number through voice call or with the WhatsApp. Thank you.